A major government crackdown in Turkey is now drawing the attention of grain traders around the world. 13 of the country's largest poultry companies have been placed under temporary administration, raising fresh concerns about feed demand and the future direction of the corn market. Turkish authorities have launched an investigation into alleged competition law violation, unjustified price increase and consumer harm, leading to the appointment of temporary administrators at some of the country's biggest poultry producers. The company involved represents a significant share of Turkey's poultry industry, making this a closely watched development for both the food and agriculture sector. The grain market is particularly concerned because the poultry industry is one of the largest consumer of feed corn. If the investigation disrupts operations or slows production, demand for corn could weaken, affecting both domestic and international grain trade. The situation is especially important for Ukraine. Turkey is the largest buyer of Ukrainian corn and imported nearly 5.7 million tons during the 2025-26 season, accounting for almost 30% of Ukraine's total corn exports. Market participants note that Turkey's demand for Ukrainian corn had already been slowing in recent weeks. Now, with uncertainty surrounding the poultry sector, traders are assessing whether corn imports could face additional pressure. The big question is whether this government action will impact poultry production and feed consumption in Turkey. Could weaker corn demand affect global grain flows? And what does this mean for major exporters such as Ukraine? For now, the grain market is closely watching every move coming out of Turkey.